Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Diverging Moon in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This is in the Abyss Nexus right next of the southern court in the region of Demonis. As far as I know, you need to be at least in chapter 8 to unlock the quest where we'll acquire the weapon. The faction quest line will be under Demonis in House Elimor called Lunar Judgment. Following the quest tracker will lead you to this boss that you'll need to defeat. After you defeat the boss, clear the camp and this will trigger a cutscene that resets the area. You'll be able to pick up the Diverging Moon inside this tent on the left. This weapon comes with 21 attack, level 3 attack speed, and it's on its 4th level of refinement. But what's special about this weapon is its gear Crescent Moon Slash. After a certain amount of light attacks, a wave of energy will shoot out from your weapon. There are 3 versions of this weapon with gears like this. So, if you're trying to build around light attacks, then acquiring the 3 moon weapons should be your priority. And that is how to get the Diverging Moon in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.